Hello grade ones, welcome back to this lesson brought to you by WorksheetCloud. My name is Teacher Di and I love having you here. If you have any questions while I'm teaching, you can ask Mum or Dad to send an email to the address on the screen now, and I'll do my best to answer it in the next lesson. Okay, let's get started. Today's lesson is a maths lesson and we are going to be doing some revision. Now, do you know what revision means? It's a game day. We're going to play a fun game day at the end of this revision lesson. So first we're going to go over all the cool things we've learned, and then there's going to be a little game for 5 points, and you have to see if you can get all the points. Okay, so let's concentrate now. First we're going to read some number names. Let's go. 1, 2, can you read them with me? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. It's always good to do some kind of warm-up, hey? And that got us all in the mood for maths. Right, let's start our revision. First, can you tell me what number is this? How many fingers on a hand? Right, 5. And there's the number 5. This is the number symbol. And the word is 5, the number name. And we learned bonds of 5, which means all the numbers that make up 5. Do you remember? Okay, find 5 with your eyes on this number line over here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it is, right in the middle. Okay, we learned about the hotel number 5, and on every floor there needed to be only 5 people. So we said if there was one person in this bedroom, how many people could be in that bedroom if you may only have 5 on a floor? 4, right. And so we now know that 1 and 4 equals 5. If I say to you, what's 1 plus 4? You'll know straight away, that's 5. Or if I say to you, 1 plus how much is 5? You'll know to say 1 plus 4 is 5. Right. Same on this floor, we've got 2, so this one is 3. 2 and 3 make 5. 3 and 2 make 5. 4 and 1 make 5. And if you've already got 5, how many people can you put here? None. Right, so 0 and 5 is equal to 5. And that's what we call bonds of 5. And it's easy for us because we can just use our hand. And if you put 2 fingers down, you've got 3. Or 1 and 4. 3 and 2. 4 and 1. So that's a great help. If we're doing bonds of 5, we can always use our hand, but we want to get to a point where we don't have to use our hand. We can just think in our heads. But if you're not there yet, don't worry. Just go ahead and use your hand. Right, the next number we learned was 6. Okay, there's the number 6, and this is how you write it. 6, the number symbol and the number name. Now, if I gave you these eggs and I said, please write the number name, you would write the word. And if I said write the number symbol, you would write 6. Okay, it's the same thing. One's a word and one's the number. Hey. Okay, let's find number 6 on this number line. Let's count. We always start at 0. How many jumps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. There's number 6. It's just after number 5. And what number is 6 just before? It's just before 7. Good. Okay, we had another hotel lesson on number 6. And this time every floor has got to add up to 6. So we said 1 plus what will give us 6? 1 plus 5. Right. How many plus 4 would be 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 and 3 is 6. 2 and 4 are always partners when it comes to 6. 5 and 1, 6 and naught. That's right. So we call these bonds of 6. It means the partners, the friends, they always have to be together to make up 6. Now it can be that maybe this number is missing. 1 plus what is 6? And we call those empty box sums, and those sometimes really confuse us. But all it means is how many in the other bedroom to get to 6. So that can be really useful if we know our bonds of 6 like this. Okay, you need to learn them until you can just wake up in the middle of the night and I can say to you, what's 2 plus 4? And you say 6. Okay, so here we've got all of our bonds equaling 6. Aha, the next one that we did just the other day, how many colors in a rainbow? 7. Right, this time we have the word first, 7. And the number symbol is 7. Good, you can make it with your hands if you do it upside down like this. 7. Did I do it backwards? I don't know. Okay, let's find number 7. Let's count, always starting at 0. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. What number comes before 7? 6. What number comes after 7? 8. Very good. Okay, and we spoke about the rainbow. Here are the colors. And we called them Smarties. And the Smarties moved from one side to the other, but it always equaled 7. So if I took one Smartie, this purple Smartie, and I moved it over to the side of the screen, it would still be 7 altogether, but I'd have 1 over here and 6 over here. Right, so 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. 2 plus what will be 7? Let's count. 1, 2. Those are the 2 on that side. And let's see how many on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 plus 5 would equal 7. If it's hard for your brain to think like that, you can go back and think about the hotel. If there's only 7 people allowed on each floor, there's 3 people in the one bedroom, how many would have to be in the other bedroom? You can only have 7 in this hotel, and I've already got 3 on the one floor. 1, 2, 3. So how many on the other room? 4. Okay. You can always use your hands if it helps you. If you have an abacus, that's a great thing to use. I like to use bottle tops because I collect them. We drink lots of milk and I just keep those bottle tops for maths. I have, I think, almost 1,000 in my classroom and we love to use them. Okay, here we go. 4 plus what gives me 7? You can actually look over here. It's the same partners, just the other way around. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. And 6 plus, how much to get to 7? Just one more. Hey, 6 plus 1. Okay, very good. Let's play our game. For 5 points, you have to say the answer before me. If I say it first, I get the point. And if you say it first, you get the point. Okay. Don't worry if you don't get all 5 points. This is just for fun. You see if you can get 1 or 2. And if you only get 1 or 2, why don't you go back, watch the video again, and see if you can do better. Beat your own high score. Okay, let's get started. Here's a sum. I'm going to count to 4 in my head, and then I'm going to say the answer. And if you've said it first, you get the point. Okay, go. The answer is 7. 7 plus 0 equals 7. Did you beat me? Let's do another one. Oh, here, by the way, are the answers. 5, 6, or 7. You have to choose 5, 6, or 7 because we're doing bonds of 5, 6, and 7. So 7 plus 0 equals 7. Okay, next one. Three plus 3 equals 6. Did you get it or did I get that point? Okay, another one. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Good job. 6 plus 1. Well, I'll count in my head and give you a chance. Equals 7. 1 plus 4 equals 5. How many points did you get? I hope you got lots. If you didn't get lots and you feel like playing again, just go right back on the video. You can rewind maybe or watch from the beginning, revise all those bonds again, and then have another go. Okay, I hope you had lots of fun today. I really did. I love game days. I've prepared an activity for you to do so that you can practice all your bonds of 5, 6, and 7. Have lots of fun. Thank you for joining me with this lesson brought to you by WorksheetCloud.